Respected Principal Dr. Zakaria TV and Honorable HOD of Tax Research Department of Institute of Cost Accountants of India, CMA Rajat Kumar sir, and also Chairman of Indirect Taxation Committee, CMA Chatranjan Chattopadhyay sir, and my colleague Dr. Umeshu, and dear students. Today, I am very happy because we have made an MOU with a prestigious national level organization, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, for conducting a GST Crash Course for Amal College BCom and BBA students. And we have enrolled 35 students from our final year and second year BCom and BBA classes to this course. And as we all know, nowadays the education system is changing and the knowledge requirement of students are changing. So we need to learn the latest and current things from the very reputed organization like Institute of Cost and Accountants of India. So because of that, we thought of making this MOU and offering this course to our students. So today we are going to have the official launching of this program in Amal College, and we would like to conduct similar or some the courses for our junior students also in future. My duty here is to welcome all of you to this inaugural ceremony. First of all, I would like to welcome our principal, Dr. Zakaria sir, who is a constant motivator and an inspirational force for all of us to make higher level or high quality programs in our campus. So I welcome you, sir, to this program. The next, I would like to welcome CMA Rajat Kumar Basu, HOD of Tax Research Department of Institute of Cost Accountants of India, who will be inaugurating or launching this program in Amal College today. I welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome CMA Chittaranjan Chattopadhyay, sir. He is a chairman of Indirect Taxation Committee, and we will be making his felicitation address to the students today. I welcome you, sir. I also welcome our colleague and HOD in charge of Department of Commerce and Management Studies, Dr. Umeshu, to this session. And finally, we have students or participants enrolled for this GST course. I welcome all the students to this official launching ceremony of a GST course for college students in our college. Next, I request our principal, Dr. Zakaria sir, to have the presidential address. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Umesh. It's a very happy occasion for Amal College of Advanced Studies because we are able to engage with one of the prestigious professional agencies in India in the field of accounting, that is the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. So we have successfully signed an MOU with the institute, and as part of this MOU, now starting a certificate program in GST. So actually, I would like to see this event as part of our continuous effort to bridge the skill gap. It's very explicit in the higher education system, particularly in the state of Kerala. I hope that this kind of efforts, so we are trying to associate with other similar agencies, and we will be able to provide more number of skill-based vocational certificate courses, which would definitely enhance the employability of our students and would make our UG programs, particularly BCom and BBA, more attractive, acceptable to the youth of state of Kerala. So I wish to welcome honorable two guests we have. One is related to both of them are related to the institute. I respectfully I welcome CMA Rajat Kumar Basu, HOD Department of Tax Research Department. Again, we have another friend, CMA Chittaranjan Chadobadhyaya. He is a chairman Indirect Taxation Committee. My colleagues are here, Dr. Umesh, Dr. Abbas Vattoli, Adila, Anish, and other friends are here. My students are here. With immense pleasure, I conclude and wish all the best to this new initiative by my one of the best departments, Amal College of Advanced Studies. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Now, now I request CMA Rajat Kumar Basu sir to have the inaugural address.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Abbas Vattoli, sir. And my special thanks to Dr. Jakaria TV, the principal of Amal College for Advanced Studies, for collaborating with us for this GST course for colleges, students of college and universities, which we have launched way back in 2018. And during these 2 years, 2 or 3 years, many colleges have been taking this course from us, and almost more than 3,000 students have been benefited. And I would like to say only few things regarding this course which we are offering for the students of colleges and universities. See, this is a course, as you all know, that GST is a very new subject for all of us. Though it is already 4 years over, it is fifth year, but still with many changes and many notifications, circulars, GST is still a new subject to all of us. So the institute came up with this idea that why don't we offer a simple course for the students of colleges who are yet to get graduated, so that they can go through this course and they can have an idea on the practical aspects of GST, so that once they are graduated, or even while they are doing the graduation, they can do some jobs on it. So from that idea, we started framing this course, and after framing this course has become a very popular among the students of colleges. So I hope the students of Amal College for Advanced Studies, they will also get benefited from this course. And this is basically, and I think since the training will be online, and now everything is on online. Post COVID, we are now online. So I hope it will be an interacting session. Students will interact with the faculties, and for any doubt, please come up to the faculty, ask him. We'll be there for clearing the doubts. Apart from this, we have another course in taxation, because from the tax research department we are offering many courses. So another important course we have in taxation arena, that is on direct tax, income tax return filing. So that is also an important area where our students, our youth can work, and they can get a lot of work, because in GST and both income tax and GST, there are a lot of scopes for practice. So looking in view all these things, we have launched these courses, and we are glad today that this course is getting inaugurated today for the Amal College for Advanced Studies. And I have with me our chairman of Indirect Taxation Committee. Basically, I just want to share with you the structure in which we are working. We have a taxation committee, Indirect Taxation Committee. That committee that committee frames the policies and procedures, and we, the department, the tax research department, we execute those policies. And Chairman Indirect Taxation Committee is CMA Chittaranjan Chattopadhyay sir. He is there with us today. So I will not take much of your time because we have to go to the next level. So though you have said that I have to inaugurate the course, but still we have with us CMA Chittaranjan Chattopadhyay sir and Dr. Zakaria sir. So with permission of both of them, we are announcing this course to be inaugurated. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Chittaranjan Chatterjee sir to have his felicitations.
Thank you, Dr. Abbas Vattoli, Assistant Professor of Amal College in Nilambur. Respected President, Principal of the very esteemed college, Amal College of Advanced Studies, Nilambur, Dr. Zakaria TV. And I am fine, Dr. Umesh, you, the in charge of the commerce and other faculties, my HOD, CMA Rajat Basu, and my Deputy Director of the department, CMA Tinku, and all other officials of my department who are attending this inaugural session of this crash course on GST in association with Amal College of Advanced Studies. All the participants, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great opportunity and occasion for us, which Dr. Zakaria has just mentioned here in his inaugural speech, that the skill development, capacity building is one of the essence of our taxes department. And very frankly speaking, this particular course has got a tremendous response, and that response encouraged us to go further. And we are very happy to tell you today itself we have signed one more with another historical college of Kolkata, Scottish Church College. You will be very happy to know this college has got the footprint of Swami Vivekananda and as also none less than Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. They were all students of this college. And we are very happy that today we could have a MOOC in that college, and 60 students have enrolled already for this crash course on GST. Not only that, they have expressed a lot many other courses which you are offering. I'll be just telling before I enter into the main episode of the today's session, that our institute is the institute established under Special Act of Parliament. It was established in the year 1944 and got recognition of the Parliament in year 1959. And we are under the administration control of Minister of Corporate Affairs. We are always looking for skill development and capacity building of the nation as a whole. And here, those who are participating in this course, they are fortunate. I must say, we are fortunate. They are fortunate. Why? Because we are getting an opportunity to disseminate the knowledge of our CMA in the GST. You will find our faculty beautifully. He will be deliberating in this coming hours, and how it will be made easy for you to understand the whole gamut of the GST in a very, very short period of time. And we have got a lot many other courses, as our CMA Rajat Basu has mentioned. But one, I would request our principal sir to please utilize our many other courses are there, for certificate courses are there for capacity building of the youth and your college students, those who are aspiring to become a finance professionals, those who want to enter into the commercial world. We have launched courses for them in the various sectors, such as banking sectors, financial service sectors, insurance sectors, so that they cannot feel themselves ignorant about any of these aspects. And we shall be very happy to share with you all our course details. But this particular GST course I understand that this is one of the very, this, I welcome all the GST course, those who are students who have joined here, because this course will give a practical view of GST, like how to apply for registration, how to file GST returns. GST was introduced on 1st July 2017 by Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs to remove cascading effect of taxation. And as a result, burden of tax on ultimate consumer has been reduced. GST is destination-based consumption tax. GST has replaced multiple indirect taxation like your central excise duty, additional duties of customs, which is called CVD, special additional duty of customs, service tax, state VAT, central tax act, etc. And GST was introduced to bring the concept of one nation, one tax. So you can understand that if you want to be a professional, you have to understand this tax in a very, nitty-gritty of the GST, because you have to deal with GST. The nationwide, you will find that one tax is there. And GST has brought a revolution, in fact, in indirect taxation era in India. The objective behind this course, as already it has been told, but just I want to reiterate, this to provide in-depth step-by-step basic knowledge on GST to the students for learning the subject and for enhancing employable capacity. We have seen many of the boys, after completion of this course, they could serve the small clientele, micro, small, medium sector enterprise clientele who are not capable of keeping one cost accountant or chartered accountant, but they are keeping these participants who are participating in the course. They are giving this service. We have ample, examples of this success. This course has been designed in simple language, explaining the provisions of the law in a step-by-step manner with the help of suitable illustrations. You will find it. And this course, of course, will help in bridging the gap between theory and applications of the subject matter. Here lies your real skill development, because skill development and capacity building will be there once you can bridge the gap between your theory and applications. Our faculty CMA Prasad Narayan will take mainly theoretical portion through online mode, and CMA Ajit Sivadas will take practical portion through offline mode. So you can understand how it would be a mixture of offline, online mode, and I'm sure you will enjoy, you will enrich your GST knowledge, and which will help to boost up your career in near future. And I request you, I advise you to become CMA, proud CMA, because ultimately at the end of the day, for every business decision, there is definitely one CMA. And with this, I am again thankful to the college to enter into this sort of move, and they have started forthright this course. And I'm sure that in future, such various courses will be definitely jointly we can host for the benefit of our future ambassador of India. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, we have Dr. Umeshu from DCMS. Please, sir.
Hello, good evening. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Am I audible, sir? Hello? Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Good evening,
Yes,
one
sir.
and
You are
all.
audible.
Respected Principal Zakaria, sir. Okay, sir, okay. Respected Principal Zakaria, sir. CMA representatives Rajat Basu, sir, and Chitranjan Chattopadhyay, sir, and my beloved colleague, Dr. Abbas Vattoli, and all the participants, especially students community, 35 students, those are registered for this course. Warm welcome to one and all. Actually, it's a great privilege for DCMS, Department of Commerce and Management Studies of Amal College, to have such an MOU with one of the prestigious institute of India, CMA. For your kind information, students, CMA previously was known as ICWA Institute. Then they changed the name. So we have three pillars in India, the basic three pillars, strong pillars of India, especially with related to commerce discipline. That is a CA, ICWA, and a CS, Company Secretary. So we have got the CMA, or the formal is ICWA. With us for this call, Chittaranjan Chattopadhyay sir and Rajat Basu sir. This is a very important turning point in your life. This GST course is a happening thing at present in the market, in the current business scenario. So if you're having that extra edge in your life, then definitely you can be a successful person, especially in the corporate arena. So having that extra edge is always advantage in your career. So I wholeheartedly appreciate all the students who have come forward to join this course and to take up this challenge, because as Zachary sir already mentioned, that practical and theoretical, it is a totally different aspect. We are all learning everything theoretically. We are learning costing theoretically. We are learning financial accounting theoretically. But how it is practically applied, that is a big challenge. And many students face lots of hiccups to approach this costing, financial accounting, taxation, everything, practical point of time, practical point of view. So I think this particular course and this blended teaching, as already Chittaranjan sir told, that it will be offline and online, both combination. So this help you to having this emotional ground. So it's a great opportunity. It's a great learning opportunity for all these students, and I'm really happy to see such collaboration. And this is just a starting point. We have more collaborative certificate courses. Again, in the month of January, we are having a collaborative certificate course with Union Bank of India. So it's a good. Hello, Buzzer. Over to you.
Okay. Okay, so we have successfully had the inaugural session of this GST course in our college. So to propose vote of thanks, I invite Mrs. Hiba P. She's a final year BCom student. Hiba, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Okay. Respected Principal
Okay, tell me.
Zachariah, sir. Honorable Inaugurator CMA Rajat Kumar, sir. Dear teachers and students, good evening to all. I'm Hiba from 6M BCom, Amal College, Nilambur. I'm happy to be a participant in this prestigious GST course from the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. We are curiously waiting for theory and practical sections on GST as part of this course. My duty here is to propose vote of thanks. First, we express our sincere gratitude to CMA Rajat Kumar Basu, HOD of Tax Research Department of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, for this associating with us for this certificate course and officially launching GST course in Amal College. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to express our gratitude to CMA Chittaranjan Chattopadhyay, Chairman Indirect Taxation Committee, for joining us for this inaugural section and delivering his felicitations. Thank you, sir. We are thankful to our beloved Principal Dr. Zakaria sir for the love and concern about our students and chairing today's session. Thank you, sir. And I'm also thankful to Dr. Abbas Vattoli and Dr. Umesh Yu from the Department of Commerce for coordinating and implementing this very useful certificate course for BCom and BBA students in our college. Thank you, sir. And finally, on behalf of Department of Commerce, I acknowledge our gratitude to all those who have attended this meeting and part of this GST course. Thank you all, sir. Over to you, sir.